This is Barb Pello, Group Director at Infotrends, and I'm with Jeff Brady, who's the principal and founder of Printing Management Associates. And Jeff, what I'd like you to do is tell everybody just a little bit about your business and what you do.
Well, our business has changed dramatically over the last several years, and we started out as a business forms company 17 years ago, and it forms management, and we've evolved into a marketing management corporation, which entails managing everything from brochures, direct mail, inventory and distribution, signage for our customers.
Who's your primary customer in the corporate environment?
You mean the client or the
department that you serve?
The department would be the marketing department and primarily marketing departments.
Okay. And so what value do you deliver to them as you look at the business, your business model? What does that marketing executive get when you provide service to him?
They get primarily a one-stop shop, meaning that they can get the creative and the content ready to go, and then we'll manage the entire process for them. We'll go out, we'll decide what type of vendor should be used, who the best vendor is for that job. We'll manage to make sure that their brand is managed correctly amongst all the pieces printed, and we'll execute on that and deliver a finished product to them.
Now, how have the client's printing needs changed, and what are their demands of you as you look at delivering those collaterals to them, that support material?
Well, in the past, they were happy just to have tools in place that would allow them to know where the dollars were going out in the field. And then from there, it kind of evolved into a little bit more of a sophisticated program where we could help them with their reorder quantities and not have any wasted inventory based on the usage in the field. However, today, what's going on is that the market has changed in that they don't want to spend a lot of dollars up front on their print needs, and so digital print capabilities has seen a giant rise, in my opinion, over the last few years.
Now, you don't really print, but rather what you do is you work on your customer's behalf to procure print?
Correct. What PMA does is we're like an outsourced print buying company for our clients because their expertise is actually in their business.
Yeah.
And so what they want us to do is make sure that the pieces are designed correctly so that they won't have some giant upcharges on the manufacturing equipment or in the direct mail world. And then, we make sure the files are built correctly from the agencies. And then we go out based on specs like quantity, stock, size of the sheet. We'll go out and determine what is the best way to have that job procured. And then we'll manage that process for them.
And how much of that do you see moving to digital over the next 36 to 48 months?
I think that I see quite a bit. Percentage-wise, I don't know if I could give you a percentage, but there's a lot of emails going on in the world that reduce people wanting to have catalogs, so you can just go online and get those catalogs, or you can have them printed digital, have them customized. So I believe that the digital is the future for our industry. There's a lot of technology available that allow you to do highly customizable one-to-one programs. Not to say that there isn't a need for the heavy-duty offset world, but I think that is becoming a smaller and smaller percentage of what's required.
So the message really is that as you look at the clients you serve in those marketing departments, digital is the answer?
Well, it allows them to do a highly focused marketing program to an individual, whereas on a carpet bombing acquisition type program where you're mailing out hundreds of thousands or millions, you can't get as specific as you can with a variable digital piece. So in the digital world, I can select however much information I have from you. I can select that you're a golfer, I can pick golf photos, I can pick scenery, I can pick message, I can take a number of variables on the background that I know about you and then implement them in so that I give you a very effective and targeted message that makes you want to act on the offer.
Terrific. Now, how have the demands of that marketing executive changed over time, and what's causing them to look at digital technologies?
Well, I think the thing that has changed the most is that the way that the corporation wants to manage their dollars internally. In the past, they would just print up a lot and they might go to a long run type of environment. And now today they want to go with a shorter run, more focused, more personalized approach because there's much more information available on the back end for them to use.
That was terrific.